Okay, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the first question or first example in lesson 6. It reads, Ramiro got his first job in 2006. In that year, the Social Security tax was 6.2% of income up to $94,200. If Ramiro earned $73,210 in 2006, how much did he pay in Social Security tax rounded to the nearest dollar? You guys, first thing that we're going to do is just highlight some of the important information. One, we know that the Social Security tax payment is 6.2% of the income, and it's specifically the income that's up to $94,200. The other thing that it tells us is that Ramiro earned $73,210. So the only thing that's tricky about this question is that we have to look at what he made versus what the tax value is. So my advice on this one is always going to be to go with the lowest number. So like in this example, they're taxing 6.2% up to $94,200, but he only made $73,210. So he actually earned less than that maximum. So even though this is really nice information with that $94,000, hang on, $200, we don't actually want to use this value. We are going to figure out his tax by taking the amount he earned for the year and multiplying it by 6.2%. I don't know what it's set to, but we'll take a look here. So I'm going to take the $73,210 and I am going to multiply it. Sorry, my parenthesis doesn't like to work on one side, by that 6.2%. So 6.2%. Now I'm going to go ahead and go over to Desmos to actually solve that. So when I go to Desmos, I have he earned $73,210. And I'm going to multiply that. If I want to keep it easy, I'm going to say 6.2% is just 6.2 divided by 100. So I can see that what he's going to owe for Social Security that year, or what he paid into Social Security that year, is $4,539.02. Now, I'm going to come back over here. Oops. I'm going to change my font color just for fun. So he is paying $4539.02. Now, this actually says that we need to round it to the nearest dollar. So I'm going to go ahead and round it to the whole dollar. That's the ones place, which means I'm going to look here. So when we look at the 10th place being a 0 or the 2 pennies as a whole there, if I want to round up to the whole number, 2 pennies is going to just keep it at $45.39. $4,539 would be my final answer. So because it asked me to round to the nearest dollar, I am actually not including those 2 pennies. It's going to stay at $45.39, and that's it.